Friends, you can see there are many cars parked here. It's look very nice. What is this? This is a ambulance car. Friends, people are taken to hospital with this car. Wow, what is this? This is a drum truck. Friends, this dump truck is very powerful. Wow, what is this? This is a truck. Let's put it here. See what else is here, guys. Wow, this is a monster car. Guys, look, it looks awesome. It's beautiful. Wow, what is this? This is a excavator truck. Let's keep it in the car, guys. Let's see what else is here. This is a water tanker truck. Let's put it here. See what else is here, guys. Wow, this is a oil tank canal truck. Let's put it here. See what else is here, guys. Friends, here is another big oil car. Guys, look, it looks awesome. It's very beautiful. Let's see what else is here, guys. Wow, what is this? This is a robot car. Wow, what a beautiful car. It looks so cute. Wow, what is this? This is a bullet train. Look, friends, look. Friends, let's see what else is here. Wow, what is this? This is a excavator hammer. This excavator hammer is very powerful, guys. It's very powerful. Wow, what is this? This is a sumo car. Let's put it here. See what else is here, guys. Wow, this is a jeep car. Wow, it looks so cute, guys. It's very nice. Wow, what is this? This is a wheel excavator. This wheel excavator is very powerful. Let's see what else is here. Wow, this is a drag line excavator. Friends, dragline excavator is very powerful, guys. It's very powerful. Look, friends, look. Wow, what is this? This is a cement mixer truck. Let's put it here. See what else is here, guys. Wow, friends, wow. This is a Thomas train. Guys, look, it looks awesome. It's very beautiful. Friends, here is another cement mixer truck. Friends, cement can be mixed very easily with this car. What is this? Friends, here is another dragline excavator. Guys, look, it looks awesome. Wow, what is this? This is a police car. Wow, it's very beautiful, guys. Let's see what else is here. Wow, what is this? This is police motorbike. Let's spot it here. See what else is here, guys. Wow, this is a drum truck. Friends, dump truck is very powerful, very powerful. Wow, what is this? This is a truck. Wow, it looks so cute, guys. It's very nice. Let's see what else is here. What is this? This is a police truck. Friends, police truck is very powerful. It's very powerful, guys. Let's see what else is here. Look, friends, look. Wow, what is this? This is a big RC bus. It's very nice. Friends, we can load it all the cars in our car. Let's go.